It is time. It's time for the lightning round. Chris, that's every round. What is that? And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Time for the lightning round. Cramer's money. I'm starting with Brian in New Jersey. Brian.
Jim, booyah from the Garden State, your home state.
You bet it is.
I have a question about in particular stock. So trading lower, gotten some bad press lately for the past few weeks. It's actually at a close to a 3-year low if it's not there now. But there is a small short interest ratio, only a little bit more than 2%. I want to know if it's a good buying opportunity. My stock is Norfolk Southern.
Okay, you said by Norfolk Southern, the cheapest I've seen in a very long time. I would buy, let's say I wanted to buy 200 shares. I'd buy 50 right here, and then I would wait literally I'd say about 0.25% down, and then buy it again, 50-50. Just keep buying those. I don't think it's going to get down to all that way. That's how you have to buy it, though, in stages. I want to go to Joe in Pennsylvania. Joe.
Joe, hey, Jimmy. This is Joe from Pennsylvania. My son and I both own shares of SoFi Technologies, and we wanted to get your thoughts on.
Oh, okay. I like it. Now, remember, when it was at $4 when we met with Anthony Noto at the CNBC terrific CEO conference. $4, and looked at me in the eye, said, what do you think? He said, we're going higher. It's right. Stock has doubled. I think it has more further to go. I like the fact that they're in start deal, which is coming Monday. It could be a good deal, by the way. Let's go to Rich in California. Rich.
Hey, what's up, Jim?
What's going on, Rich?
Got a question of VinFast, the Vietnamese EV company.
No. This is not a company you want to be involved with. This VinFast, I don't like anything about it. Not a lot of cars, so please stay away from this. It's the kind of thing that should not be public. And I'm a huge fan of the country that it's from, but not that deal. Let's go to Alex in Massachusetts. Alex.
Jimbo, first-time caller. Love your show.
All right.
Hey, your Eagles better watch out for Bill Belichick's defense Sunday.
We have big game.
Question. What are your thoughts on Live Nation Entertainment?
Stocks come down nicely. I'm a big fan of Mike Rapino, but I will tell this. Mike Rapino used to come on the show. And if he comes on the show and we talk about how he's doing, I would feel a lot better than just saying, hey, it's fine. He used to be a visitor. We want him back on. Maybe we even see him next week. That would be great. Jason in Wisconsin. Jason.
Hello, Jim. Thank you so much for having me on. Big booyah from the great state of Wisconsin.
Oh, I love Wisconsin.
My son Tipton. Thank you so much, Jim. My son Tipton wanted me to give you a call back. He wants to know, back in February of 2023, you spoke with Patty Poppy about an awesome company, PG&E. He wants to know if he has some horse sense. So what are your thoughts on PG&E?
That kid's got horse sense, absolutely. And I want him in the stock right here, right now. Patty Poppy's got what I call game. Let's go to Monty in California. Monty.
Hey, Jim. Booyah to you.
Booyah, Monty.
Sure. Got a question for you about Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals. I know you've had the president and CEO, Chris Anzalone, on about 3 years ago. Since then, the company's really advanced the pipeline into a double-digit state, about 12 indications.
But we got to get him back on, man, because, I'm not recommending any stocks that are losing money. That's my problem, is I got to find out more, because I've had a ban on stocks that are losing money. It's too hard out here. I'm going to go to Chris in Illinois now. Chris.
Hey, Jim, let's go Eagles, and how about American Electric Power? What's your thoughts?
Okay, 4.25 is where I want to buy it, but more importantly, I want Julie Sloat back on. Nick Akins used to come on every quarter. It's time for Julie to come on because we've been a big supporter of AEP, and it's down very big from its 52-week high, 105 all the way down to 77, and that's because of rates, not because of AEP. How about we go to Riley in Texas? Riley.
Booyah, Ski Daddy.
What's happening, man?
Mr. Mad Money, Jimmy Chill, Reverend Jim Bob, can I get your expert opinion on AEHR?
Oh, man, this is a test and measurement. And for test and measurement, I always go for Agilent. I'm sorry, I'm hidebound. Let's go to Mike in Illinois, please. Mike.
Hey, how you doing, Jimmy Chill?
Not bad. The showman's fine. What you doing, Mike?
I'm
what you got for me?
driving into Chicago to go see the Cubs.
I wish you good luck. I like, the Bears franchise. I drafted a Bear last night. I haven't done that in a long time, but it turned out he owned a small restaurant. It's looking okay season 3. What's happening?
What's happening is one of the world's largest IT consulting companies, Accenture, curious buy-seller hold.
You know what, Julie Sweet is so good. She's the CEO, and it is just such a good company, and people don't even know what they do. They help you figure out how to deal with technology. They're digitizers. I need to go to Haraj in California. Haraj.
Booyah, Professor Cramer. First-time caller, long-time listener.
All righty.
Thank you for everything for us home gamers. I want to ask you about Alnylam Pharmaceuticals.
I'll tell you, they are losing money so much. I can't go for it. $25 billion comes just losing too much money. We're going to have to stay away. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
Coming up, did China miss a trade opportunity? Or are they happily headed toward isolation? Cramer digs deep next. Tomorrow, kick off the trading day with Squawk on the Street. Live from Post 9 at the NYSE.
I don't want to be in a, like a Waymo with no driver, and he doesn't. And there's nobody even says to me, "Hey, you know what? I don't understand black ice." I mean, I'd like to hear it from someone. You know what I mean? Hear that it's dangerous. What do you think of that?
All right, well, don't get in one when it's really cold if you're somewhere where it gets cold.
Well, there you go. Isn't that the real takeaway of the A block?
It all starts at 9 a.m. Eastern.
Booyah, Jim. Your integrity makes you the booyah saint of Wall Street.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Booyah, Jim.
Quadruple. That's a lot of booyahs.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.